Hello dear students, I am Dr. Pratibha Aggarwal and today I want to talk about very important aspect of your life, that is how to study in a proper way. So, बचपन से ही आपको ये सिखाया गया कि मैथ्स पढ़ लो, हिंदी पढ़ लो, इंग्लिश पढ़ लो. बट टेल मी वन थिंग, क्या आपको कभी किसी ने ये बताया कि आखिर इन सब्जेक्ट्स को पढ़ना कैसे है? नहीं, right? So that's why after the phenomenal success of first batch,
At the end of the second session, I was like, wow, where was I all this time? It was so awesome. The whole workshop was just possible because of Dr. Pratibha Aggarwal ma'am.
I am launching the second batch of Smart Study Skills online workshop in which you will learn scientifically proven methods to study in a smart way, so that less efforts में ही आपको ज़्यादा output मिल सके. And so many of you have also told me that मैम, पढ़ाई से ज़्यादा पढ़ाई की टेंशन हो जाती है, पढ़ते पढ़ते माइंड डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है, जितनी मेहनत करता हूँ उतना रिजल्ट मिलता ही नहीं. So, my dear students, let's eat a studylicious pizza made up of smart study skills and extra toppings of memorizing tricks. Yes, along with it, you can also learn how to minimize your distractions and increase your concentration in your studies with some stress management techniques. So, if you want to register for this online workshop, which will be conducted on Zoom from 14th to 18th September, contact this number or click on the registration link given in the description box. Grab your seats before you miss this golden opportunity because seats are very limited and are filling very fast. Thank you.